Isa lang ba ka dito? Okay, bibin kasi yan pagkadating mo doon sa gitna. Bibin.
This way, go.
Be careful, be careful, be careful.
Okay, you're the thing.
Patay ka ngayon.
Sa dyan ako nagano dito.
Wala. Ay! Ay! Na?
May ginagamit kami dito. Ano yung kaso?
Ang delikado niyan, matutupian ako na doon. Bubok mo ang libag ah.
Kamati!
You slide first and Ate. You cannot go together with Ate. Oh, don't cry, don't cry. Sekali lang ako ang haatis. No, this one, no, use this one.
Dali kami may gato. This one. Kasi kung base is too much big. Go. Wait. Check two, yours too. No, baby. No. No. Turn it. Let's slide together.
You will pull down this one side. Up lang.
That's mine, it's okay. My turn. And you come to slide.
Delikado mo na. Delikado lang yan din. No, I will remove the side. I have a nervous breakdown if you like this. Wait. Use this one. Wait.
Go.
But put this one the other side. Yeah, like that. No. The other side, baby. No, baby, the other side.
No, I like pepper.
Because the side, this one, the other side. Like this, like that. Like position, no? Kasi natutupi yan gitna. Wait, look. What happened in the middle? Look. Yeah, it's painful, baby.
Too much.
Too much. Because it's marble.
Just move this.
Okay, dapat.
Nababalok ko.
See, okay lang kasi matapos na. Pag tayo, babagsakin sa gitna. Baby, not small. You cannot slide like that. Mabuo din. Ito din. Wait, because it's full. Look, it's full. Maumbok naman eh. Baka maumbok yung ulo niya sa cement.
Wait. Go up. Okay, ready? Ready?
Wait. I put this. Lagi nga kami na nasa palaruan, gawa nga ng ganyan ang gusto.
Oo, dapat to sa kanya. Outdoor na.
Hurry up.
Saan mo pala sa Cornish?
Hindi, dyan sa mga mall, hindi yan pwede sa ano, sa mga arawan, gawa ng mga ngati.
Oo.
Sa mall, sa City Center.
Ready?
Yeah, ready.
Ay!
Too fast. Ate, your turn. Huh? Ate, come. It's your turn.
Bubok ba yung ulo niya ba?
Ulo ni
Balik ba?
baby.
But wait for me to.
Ay, baby, wait muna ate mo na.
Wait for me. Wait for me.
Pero hanggang gitna ka lang, Grace. Maano yan, Grace?
Ati.
Baby, kasi?
Ati.
Go.
Come in. Come on with me. There.
You can go, baby, because this, oh.
That one is not good for big baby. It will come down. Yala, go slide. Slowly.
Good. Slide with the girl.
Ano naman playground kasi, ayan na.
Yung may,
Good. Go.
yung may pod.
Huh?
May pod.
Good.
Mag-isa talaga ako.
Go.
Mahal, nagpil na. Bakit ako nagpil na rin?
Ati, please.
You see the my video? I'm going there. Yung pet ko tagaktak dito.
Ati.
Bago tawan siya. Pag-slide ko na mapunta.
Ati.
Pagtaktak ako, nagkumot ka na. Ang tawa niya sa video. Oh my God.
Okay, we'll slide again together.
Wait mo.
Balik kasi dapat yun sa taas, ito sa
Anak,
baba.
take this one.
What?
I make it
Remove
good.
your phone.
Remove.
You will make it
Good.
kasi yung paglandis lang nakakatakot ba?
This one, baby. Hold on. This one.
Why? Why? Ati, why?
Because this is holding.
Ati, please.
Sige daw.
Talaga mo ano. Aray ko.
Take this.
Go.
Ati, pin this up.
Meron isa pang ganito yan eh.
Yeah, yellow?
Ati.
Ano pala?
Yellow?
No, ate. Hindi, yung slide. Isa pala nga ito.
Oh, meron ganito parehas sila, pero pagdating mo kasi sa gitna, magbe-bend siya.
Oo.
Put fan there.
Hmm?
Put this fan there.
Mama use it.
It's okay, this way. Ati, come on.
Go.
Ati, why would I slide?
Baby, go into washroom. Baby, it's cool down. Okay ha?
Ati, please.
Pastor ha? Ate, pastor. Aray. One minute. Slowly.
Ati, this is so hard.
Wait, I bring it. I bring.
Why is it so hard?
Because there's no easy there, only
Why is
here.
it so hard? I do like this.
That's why I make.
Dude,
Why this one is going down already?
take this. Take this.
Baby, that's the right way for the slide because this one is.
This is so hard to come. This hurt.
Why
It's
like
so
this,
hard.
baby?
Please.
Look, the fan is going down.
Then,
Wait, baby.
take this.
Ah, okay. This one is going down. It's no thread.